Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to pick up a phone call with the Apple earbuds with Lightning connector. These are the ones with the Lightning connector. That's the same one connector that uses to charge your phone, also your iPad. Let's say you're going for a walk and someone calls you. So we're going to open this Android phone and we're going to call ourselves, and let's go call. And once we're walking, all you have to do is just press the middle here and you'll see how we pick up the phone. Give it a few seconds. It's not wanting to pick up to call. So let's give it another chance and see how to pick up the phone call. Now we just press the middle and now we can hear that it started the phone call. We hang it up, press the middle. Also again, as you can see here, there's a physical command here that lets you press it one time to pick up and press it one time to hang up. Obviously, this you can also use the commands on the iPhone. So you saw you could just pick up with that, and if they have them in your ears, they should work absolutely fine. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.